missed out last weekend. Yeah, well, this weekend will be a lot better, trust me. What are you talking about? That is... What? Hey, listen. Let me call you back. What the hell? Hello?
Hello, James. It's nice to finally make your acquaintance.
Who is this?
If I'm correct, you are looking at the body of Mr. Frank Williams. Am I correct?
How do you know that?
What I need from you right now is to do something for me. Can you do something for me, James?
What are you talking about? Who are you?
That man sitting in your chair is a bad man, James. Very bad man. He's done terrible things, and now he has to be killed, and I need you to kill him.
What? No. I'm calling the police.
James! I wouldn't do that if I were you. You see, if you do that, I will be forced to do something very bad, and I hate doing bad things, James. I take it by your silence that means that you're listening to me. If you look behind you, you will find an envelope. Inside this envelope is a picture of someone very important to you.
You son of a bitch! What does my brother have to do with this?
Please! You don't have much time. You see, there are rules to how I work and how you must now work.
If you even lay a finger on him...
Listen very carefully. This is very important, James. If you do exactly as I say, I will make sure that your brother is returned home safely. Do I make myself clear?
Yeah, I fucking understand.
Good. Now, in the kitchen you will find a knife. You will use this knife to slit the throat of Mr. Williams. You will then place this knife in the plastic bag that I have provided for you. You will then dispose of the knife in the dumpster downstairs. I have also provided for you sleeping pills, which you will take when this is done. And when you awaken in the morning, you will go about your everyday life and forget all this nasty business. Do you understand? You have 1 minute, James. 1 minute. Starting now. Better hurry, James. The clock is ticking. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Do it, James. Do it now. Do it or your brother dies.
There. I did it, you fucking lunatic. Now let my brother go!
Of course. I will keep my promise, and your brother will be returned home safely. Don't be afraid, James. You did well. The job is done. Yes, as usual, my hands are completely clean.